If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hey Photos family, today we're talking about pre-planning and preparation, but two things specifically to help you do that. You need to do these things. It's a little bit like a challenge, but today's not a challenge video. To plan and prepare for your next shoot, get your equipment together in one place so it's kind of like a go bag. You just grab one bag or maybe two bags and you are out to the car. You have everything that you need. Pre-plan what you need and have it all ready to go in one bag. Next, once you have your equipment, grab your equipment and plan to set up in your living room or in your front office space. Just grab your bag and set up all the lights, anything you need to communicate between your camera and the lights. Make sure your camera's on the tripod if you need it. Do your complete setup as you would to get a shot. And then to make sure you're all set up, take a shot of yourself. Once you're done with that, tear down. That's what we have today to be able to prepare and to plan for your shoot. Make sure you have everything that you need all in one place. Prepare for it, set it up, tear it down. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your being here and learning with us as we continue to grow in our photography, and I'm learning to do better in the video section of this as well. And if you're not yet a subscriber, we'd love to have your subscription. Just click that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and let us know in the comments what you learned. And we appreciate a thumbs up as well so that other people can see from this video and learn as well. God bless.